Guys, it is Minecraft Plays back with another video, and I'm going to show you a super efficient, really good pig farm in Hypixel Skyblock. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I just loaded in, so let's go into Skyblock right here. So this is it. Basically, you have these, the pig minions, and they will get the pork in their inventory and fill it up, but they will also drop the pigs down here, and what that does is it's really helpful because it'll kill them, and then they go into droppers just like that, and then at the bottom they go into these chests. So this farm can be used for a lot of things, but right now, let me just cut this out. Right now, I'm using it to work on getting a, what do you call it, that piglin sword thingy. And basically what you need to do for that is you need to get all your pork. So let me just get some of that. I might not even have enough, but yeah, I don't have enough. But anyways, basically, you'll make a recipe. I know there's a zombie behind me. You'll make a recipe like this, except with one at the top, and then you'll craft these enchanted pork. And then with the enchanted pork, I'll show you in a sec. With the enchanted pork, it's really good because if I go to farming collection, and go here, you can make the pigman sword. And for that, you need this. And to make that, you need this. So, yeah. So, I'm actually going to head down. By the way, to build this, you need to build up 40 blocks high. Do the droppers, the chests, and this part has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. And then you put the water, and then it'll stop right there. So then you can go just like that. And it's really cool and really awesome. Now, I recently got this from that snowy place. I haven't even, I want to test it out. I want to see what it does. Because I think it might be able to... You guys, oh my gosh, it can. That's awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, I also want to show this. This is my mob farm. Basically, I just have a big, dark room far away from my, regular island. And, yeah. So, as you can see, mobs, spawn inside of there. So, I might actually pick up this and replace it with another, pig farm. But yeah, that's basically the pig farm. It's super efficient. And if you want to, get the pig minion recipe, it's pretty easy, but it's going to take a while. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. I know this looks ugly, but I needed materials, okay? Okay, so basically, we're gonna head over. We're gonna head over here and go to the barn. So let's do that. So as you can see, we are just gonna travel to the barn, right over here. Perfect. And to get the pigs, there's some pigs that will just wander off, over here, like that, and you can just kill them. But most of the pigs will spawn. See, the pigs and the other animals spawn in this area, this like spot here, and another area which I'm about to show you. So let me just get these guys. So the other spot where the animals will spawn is right in here. As you can see, they just keep spawning like every 5 seconds. I don't know. So I'm just gonna wait for a batch of animals to spawn like that. And as you can see, they just spawn like that. But they also spawn here. If there's like nobody in there, then you should do it in there. But if there's nobody here, then you should do it over here. They're both good spots. Okay. But yeah, so basically, to get the pig minion, you will need farming, and then you need this. So you need 50 raw pork chop to get the pig minion recipe. And the pig minions are also super easy to crack. Basically, you just need a wooden sword in the middle, and then you go like this around it. And yes, you need 64. So, wooden sword in the middle, just imagine it's there, and then you go like that. But yeah, that's the pig farm. So, hopefully hopefully this helps you out. I definitely really like it. I use it a lot. I know she said, that person said, you pig, I count. Oh, hello. You have a lot of health. Jeez. I've never seen this before. What is this? I'm kind of like new to Hypixel. Oh god. No, I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. What is that? Did it give me anything? No, I don't think it did. Ancient claw? Huh. Weird. Okay. I don't know what that does. But yeah. So basically, I recommend having a pig farm if you want to farm for pork. It's really useful, really good. And I totally recommend it. So let me just get these guys. See, I'm actually level 2 on the chicken stuff now. So that's cool. But yeah, as you can see, again, they just like spawn. And then when you're done with that, then go back to your base. I'm not gonna walk there, I'm just teleport. So you can go back to your base, and then a lot of pigs. You can. I don't think I have any wood in here yet. But point is, you can make the sword and then do the thing, and then also I just want to mention. I don't know. Climbing up here is always like laggy, going up the water. I don't know why, it just is. It always takes forever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you one more step that you'll need to like make this super efficient. Or else it's not gonna be as efficient. So I'll just show you that once I actually get up here. Okay. So as you can see, these pig minions are floating, and the way you do that is you place blocks like right about here, like maybe 2 blocks away, and then you place them in your line, and you break them, and then boom, that's it. You just have them floating. And the reason for that is if you place them like on top of here, or like and you still have like blocks here. When the pigs spawn, they could spawn behind them, and then the pigs wouldn't go through them. They would just stop there and get stuck. So yeah. But this is a big farm. It's really awesome. Nothing here. You could also, honestly, you could use this. You might want to use this as like an animal farm too, because sometimes animals will like spawn and then just fall down. But I like this better as an, or sorry, log farm idea. Plus, the reason for this is actually for Enderman. I'm trying to get an Enderman minion. Those are super hard though. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you guys out. And yeah. So I'm gonna end this video, but hope you guys enjoyed this. By the way, I just want to mention the shaders I'm using are Kuda Legacy shaders. They're really nice. I mean, look at the water. But yeah, point is, that's the pig farm. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it helped you out. And yeah, bye.